keep getting error code 9107 or network error when trying to fire up Genshin Impact on your PC? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the error code 9107 in Genshin Impact on your computer. So without any delay, let's jump into the fixes right away. Solution 1. First, clear your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and then hit Enter. And then type in ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and then hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and then hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Don't skip this step. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, delete temporary files from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Then click on it. Now type %temp% in this box and hit Enter. After that, File Explorer should open up. From here, delete everything. Now close this window and open Genshin Impact and see if the error is fixed. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, use an optimized DNS server. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type in ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet, then on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. After that, turn off IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the error is fixed or not. Solution 4. Changing your server location can help fix this issue as well. To do this, open up Genshin Impact Launcher, then click on Launch. Now before jumping into the game, click on a different server. You can pick any server you want: Europe, America, Asia, Taiwan, Hong Kong, or Macau. Just switch to a different one than the server where you encountered the error. After that, click on Confirm to switch. Now Genshin Impact should start without showing this error. So that's how you troubleshoot error code 9107 in Genshin Impact on your computer. If the video proved to be helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you're still getting the error, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks a ton for watching.